All right, guys, Cody Meyer at Sonar Pros. 2026 boat is here. Just came back to Sonar Pros. So impressed. I want to walk through the boat, all they've done. This is truly a one-stop shop. You know, we're going to start with the power poles here. I've never had one of these here. This is a Sonar Pros light here, navigation light. I've always been impressed by these because it's just easy to flick the switch on. You don't have to worry about taking the pole out. Really impressed there. They put the leash on here. You know, Sonar Pro said, hey, you guys are going to some pretty big water. They installed the leash here. Also, they installed the jack plate. So you come to a Sonar shop, and not only can they install a jack plate, but they run the wires better than anywhere I've ever seen. Down to here, the sonar, you know, for scanning. They have an awesome bracket here that they make here at Sonar Pros. And when you get in the boat, guys, I've never had a rig this clean. So this is really impressive to me, the dedicated wiring harness. One thing I love about it, if you have a problem, which you're not, all the fuses are right here and they're all labeled. That to the battery setup. I walked through with the guys here with Trent Palmer and he said, this is what I think you should do with your batteries. And he nailed it. And just the cleanliness, it's clean, it's built to last. As you walk through the boat here, you see just, you know, how nice everything is. There's no wires hanging out. And this is something that I really, really love here from Sonar Pros is the decking. They installed this. They custom ordered this for the Blazer. They can do it for any boat. And man, what an awesome pad. And they matched it to go all the way around. Even, didn't ask for this, but even the little pad here to put your hooks in. That is a really big deal. Again, I came from Idaho, and this is why. Some of the things like this. So the decking is really cool. Up to the front, you know, you see the graphs in the back, how they rigged that Boat Logics, all the wiring, how clean that was, and the same up here with the trolling motor and the graph set up right here. You know, one thing I was really impressed with, typically my trolling motor hangs out a lot on the Blazer. We moved it in. They put the little troll tamer on here as well. Boat Logics up here. This boat is set up so incredible. And it's not just for the year, guys. It's talking to Sonar Pros. It's you go to big water, you go to some, you know, some scary places. Nothing's going to break on this boat. I don't want to have to worry about anything but trying to catch a bass. Not something breaking, and that's what they did here. So very impressed, not only with how it functions, but how clean it is. I've been asked why come to Sonar Pros, and here's why. You know, talking to guys like Tristan McCormick, another Elite Series pro that I travel with, highly recommend Sonar Pros, along with Josh Weaver. But also for me, when you look at some of the best sonar fishermen in the entire planet, you know, on the Bassmaster Elite Series, Patrick Walters, some of the most technical and the best, Koya Fujita, Taku Itu, Emil Wagner, Paul Marks Jr., Austin Felix, it literally goes on and on. Being a competitor, I wanted to come to the best. I wanted to see why they have an advantage over myself on how they're seeing stuff better, how their boats are set up better. And I can tell you with confidence after 2 tournaments, this is the best boat setup I've ever had. So, you know, hearing from the best pros in the business, they all trust Sonar Pros. They rig your boat built to last. That is really, really important. We go to some big water, and just so impressed with everything, with the battery setup, with the dedicated wiring harness, just the graph placement. And also, when you call Sonar Pros, they're honest and they can walk you through any single boat. So whether it's an older boat, you're doing a rebuild, or a brand new boat, they're going to give you the advice you need. They're not trying to sell you something. They're fishermen that do tons of installs. They're professional here at Sonar Pros. So I can tell you, again, I've been doing this for 25 years. This is the best boat setup I've ever had. So I'm proud to drive this thing around. And a huge shout out to Sonar Pros for rigging my 2026 Blazer.